Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see the continuation for the lesson 12 carbonyl compound. The topic is oxidation and reduction of aldehyde and ketones. Okay. First we are going to see the oxidation of aldehyde. So what is the oxidation of aldehyde? We already studied. Oxidation of aldehyde is converted into acetic acid, that is in general CH3CH. This is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is oxidized to carboxylic acid. Aldehyde is easily oxidized to carboxylic acid containing the same number of carbon atom. Here how many number of carbon atom is there? 2 number of carbon atom. Again acetic acid after oxidized it is also having the same carbon number of atoms in the presence of what is the oxidizing agent. So K2, Cr2O and potassium dichromate, or the alkaline KMnO4 or chromic acid, that is the KMnO4. These are all the oxidizing agent. So using this oxidizing agent, it is converted into acid. The same thing ketone. So the simple thing, it is not easily oxidized, but under the condition, the strong oxidizing agent like concentrated nitric acid HNO3 or KMnO4, strong oxidizing agent K2 Cr2O7. So in this one, the carbon-carbon bond is breaking. After then, less number of carbon atoms. Suppose here that two number of carbon atom is there, means that is CH3, 3 number of carbon. Okay, 3 number of carbon. It will oxidize, mean what will happen? That is less number of carbon. That is CH3COOH. Okay, that is the. Here 3 carbon is reduced to less number of carbon. So this is the another one. So in the same thing, unsymmetrical ketones. So that is what is meant by Popoff's rule. This is one important one. What is meant by Popoff's rule? What is meant by Popoff's rule? That is unsymmetrical ketones. It is cleaved by unsymmetrical ketone. Unsymmetrical ketone is cleaved by the carbon CO bond in such a way the keto groups are stay at the smaller alkyl group. So keto groups stay with smaller alkyl group. What is the meaning for that? What is the meaning for that? I am writing here the equation here, that is CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, CH3, right? So here now according to this rule, this bond will be break down, right? This bond will be break. Okay, this bond will be break. So what is that meaning for that? The small alkyl group. Here 1 carbon is there, that's why 3 carbon is there. Small, the keto groups are staying with the smaller alkyl group remaining compound. So it will convert it into acid. So both are converted into acid, but instead of this cleaved by this one, that is CH3, CH2, COOH, that is one compound. Another one is acetic acid. So that is the 2 compound. What is this compound name? Ethanoic acid. So that is called as Popoff's rule, that is propanoic acid. Okay, so that is less number of carbon, so that is propanoic acid or the ethanoic acid. This is called as Popoff's rule. During the unsymmetrical ketones, the carbon-carbon bond is break down, cleaved. Inside the keto groups are stay with the smaller alkyl group. The keto group in the pakam poguma apdi kediyadu. So keto groups in the smaller alkyl group, the keto group stay with the smaller alkyl group. This is called as Popoff's rule. Okay, this is called as Popoff's rule. Next one is reduction reaction. So what is reduction to alcohol? We already know that primary alcohol. So once again recall it. Primary alcohol oxidized aldehyde oxidized, that is acid, that is the carboxylic acid, right? The secondary alcohol is oxidized to ketone. Again ketone is oxidized to acid. Okay, so that is now the reduction means it is reversed. Aldehyde is reduction means it is the primary alcohol. Again ketone is reduced to, that is the secondary alcohol. That is the reason we are going to see that in the presence of lithium aluminum hydrate and the sodium borohydrate. First one is aldehyde. CH3, CH, aldehyde. reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, to form the primary alcohol, that is CH3 CH2OH. Okay, what is this is called as ethyl alcohol or primary alcohol. Next one is ketones. So that is CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde. This is called as acetone in the presence of sodium borohydride. Okay, so again it is called as secondary alcohol. What is secondary alcohol? The carbon CHOH, the OH is attached to the CH carbon, that is called as secondary alcohol. The name of this compound is isopropyl alcohol. Again, it is the reduction with the strong reducing agent. It will give the hydrocarbon. The ketocarbon, the carbonyl group of aldehyde or ketone, can be reduced into methylene group, is a suitable reducing agent. Reduction to hydrocarbon. How to reduction? So again C double bond O, again reducing agent to form the alkane compound, right? So that is the another one. So using this one, first one is Clemmensen reduction. What is the name of this reduction? Is Clemmensen reduction. The naming reactions are very important. Clemmensen reduction. What is Clemmensen reduction? When acetaldehyde, again CH3 C double bond OH, reduction in the presence of zinc and mercury, concentrated HCl to form the ethane. CH3 plus H2O. What is this component? That is called as ethane. Okay, that is alkane compound. That is the reduction of hydrocarbon. Again, the aldehyde or ketone are reduced. So what is this component? That is acetaldehyde. This is acetaldehyde, reduction with zinc, mercury and concentrated HCl. The same thing. What is this compound? Again acetone. CH3 C double bond O, then CH3. Again it will be reduction with zinc amalgam to form the propane. Here 3 carbon is here, so that is CH3 CH2 CH3. What is this component? That is propane. Okay, here also zinc, mercury and concentrated HCl plus H2O. Okay, this is the another one. Next one is Wolff-Kishner reaction. What is meant by next reaction is, this is also very important, Wolff-Kishner reaction. The same thing again, acetaldehyde and ketone, reduction with hydrogen. So again it will be reduction with Wolff-Kishner reaction, that is CH3 C double bond O H, that is acetaldehyde. Again reduction in the presence of hydrogen, phenylamine, sodium ethanoate, C2H5ONA, sodium ethanoate to form the ethane, that is CH3 plus H2O plus N2. This is called as another one. Next one, this is acetaldehyde. Again another one is acetones. Acetone, what is the formula? CH3 C double bond O CH3. Again reduction in the presence of NH2 to form the propane, CH3 CH2 again H2O plus N2. Okay, so this is the another one, acetone. What is the name of this compound? This is called as 2 carbon. What is the compound name? That is ethane. 3 carbon, that is propane. Okay, so next one is reduction to pinacols. What is meant by pinacol? The compound containing 2 alcohol functional groups. So that is called as pinacol. So here that is reduction to pinacol. reduction to pinacols. Reduction to pinacol. First one is again acetone CH3 CCH3 double bond O plus again another molecule of acetone CH3 CH3. Okay, so how to, in the presence of magnesium amalgam, so that is mercury in the presence of H2O, what is the component, that is the instead of this compound will be attached to that as a OH compound, right? So that is CH3 CH3 OH, again CH3 here OH, then CH3. Okay, so this is called as dimethyl butane 2,3 diol. So what is how to naming this compound? 1 2 3 4. So 4 carbon means butane. So 2,3 dimethyl 2,3 dimethyl. 4 carbon means butane 2,3 diol. The other name of this compound is called as pinacol. So what is this compound? That is acetone. Acetone, here also acetone, 2 molecule of acetone combined with magnesium mercury to form the pinacols. Okay, so this is the another one. Okay, what is meant by haloform reaction? What is meant by haloform? Halogen containing 3 molecule of halogen. So that is called as haloform. How it will be formed? When acetaldehyde or ketone. So that is, this is called as ketone. Acetaldehyde or ketone when react with halogen. So that is halogen in the presence of strong alkali. The corresponding haloform will be formed. That is CCl3. C double bond O CH3, again sodium hydroxide to form the haloform. So what is haloform? CHCl3. The halogen containing 3 molecule, that is called as haloform. What is this compound name? Chloroform. Chloroform. This is the equation formula of chloroform. Again remaining compound CH3C double bond O ONA. Okay, so first one is what is meant by haloform? Halogen 3 molecules mean that is haloform. Okay, form haloform. Halogen containing 3 molecule, that is chloroform. This is chloro. Suppose CHI3, that is called as iodoform. Iodoform. Okay, so the CHF3, that is called as fluoroform. Fluoroform. So that is I3, F3. The halogen containing 3 molecule mean that is called as haloform. So next one is reaction involving alkyl group. First one is reaction involving alkyl group. Till that we studied about the reaction involving the substitution group, that is a keto group or the carbonyl compound. Now reaction involving alkyl group. Alkyl group. Reaction involving alkyl group. First one is aldol condensation. What is meant by aldol condensation? The name itself it indicates al, that is aldehyde. The same compound containing aldehyde and alcohol functional group is present in the same compound. That is, in the presence of the carbon attached to the carbonyl compound is called alpha carbon. So that is, in this compound the aldehyde, when aldehyde react with sodium hydroxide or KOH, 2 molecules of an aldehyde having the alpha hydrogen, beta hydroxy, that is the ketol. So that is 1 alpha hydrogen add together by the hydroxyl aldehyde and beta hydroxyl ketone. So what is meant by alpha hydrogen and what is meant by beta alpha hydrogen? So what is meant by alpha hydrogen? Carbon attached to carbonyl carbon, that is called as alpha carbon. The same thing, hydrogen atom attached to alpha carbon that is called as alpha hydrogen. Okay, so that is the carbon attached to carbonyl carbon, that is called as alpha carbon. Hydrogen atom attached to the alpha hydrogen, that is called as alpha hydrogen. So the alpha hydrogen add together to the beta hydroxyl aldehyde, beta hydroxyl ketone. The reaction is called the aldol condensation. I'll give one example. You can easily understand that. First one is acetaldehyde. What is the formula of acetaldehyde? CH3, C double bond O, H. Okay. Then again another molecule of acetaldehyde, CH2CHO, that is CH3CHO. So now the water molecule, that is the H will be attached to that one. Remaining compound as it is you write dilute NaOH. How to write this compound? CH3CHOH, then CH2CHO. This is called as acetaldol. So here one alcohol functional group, this is one aldehyde functional group. So it is called as aldol, that's acetaldol. The name itself, this is alcohol functional group. How to naming this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 hydroxybutanol. 4 carbon, so it is called as butanol. 3 hydroxybutanol. This is the one compound. This is called as aldol condensation. Next one is what is next we are going to see the important mechanism for the aldol condensation. So first we are going to see the mechanism of aldol condensation. It takes place in the 3 steps. What are the first step? Formation of carbon anion. Formation of carbon anion. Carbon anion. So what is mean by carbon anion? The carbon containing, what is anion? The negative charge. The carbon containing negative charge, that is called as carbon anion. So first step is, first one is OH, that is nucleophile. It is added to this acetaldehyde, CH2CHO. So what is the reason? The negative compound is attached to that one. So what is the reason? The H2O molecule will be removed. So that is the H2O molecule will be removed. So remaining compound CH2, this is negative charge. So that is carbon anion. CHO plus H2O. Once again, what is the first step? This is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. When react with OH minus ion, the OH minus ion attached to this carbon positive, that is water molecule will be removed. Remaining it become negative charge. Okay. So that is the negative charge. This is called as carbon anion. The carbon containing negative charge. So what is the next step? Carbonyl carbon, another unionized aldehyde to form the alkoxide. What is the second step? It is attached to the another carbonyl carbon. So attached to another carbonyl compound. Another carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound, another carbonyl compound, how it will be formed? So that is now another acetaldehyde, right? This is another acetaldehyde. Again it react with this the carbon anion. The carbon anion is attached to the another carbon anion. So how it will be attached? So here that is this compound will be attached to that one. This compound will be liberated. Okay, so what is this compound containing? CH3, CH, here O negative charge, right? Now remaining compound as it is CH2CHO. Okay, so this is the oxonium alkoxide. This is compound is called as alkoxide. Alkoxide compound will be formed. What is the step 3? Alkoxide is formed with the protonated, that is the water to form the aldol. What are the step 3? Reaction with water molecule. Alkoxide ion. This is ion, that is negative charge is there. Alkoxide ion. Alkoxide ion. Protonated by water. Protonated by water to form aldol. Aldol. How it will be formed? So again writing the same compound CH3 CHO minus then CH2CHO. Again it will be HOH minus. So here that is the negative charge, it will be attached to that, it will be removed. Okay, so that is CH3, CHOH, then CH2CHO, then OH minus. So this is called as aldol. What is the compound name? 1, 2, 3, 3-hydroxy butanol. Okay, so this is the another compound, 3-hydroxy butanol. So what is the mechanism? Very important question. What is first one is formation of carbon anion. So first acetaldehyde, the water molecule will be attached. So this is water molecule will be removed. This become negative charge. So the first step is formation of carbon anion. What is carbon anion? The carbon containing negative charge. That is called as carbon anion. What is the step 2? Attached to another carbonyl compound. So that is another molecule of acetaldehyde. This is one acetaldehyde. This is another acetaldehyde. The combined, that is this compound, this is become negative ion. This is called as alkoxide ion. Alkoxide ion react with water molecule to form the aldol. The aldol are rapidly dehydration on heating with acid to form the unsaturated aldehyde will be formed. Again the aldol rapidly. What is aldol? That is CH3, CHOH. With our convenient I am writing CH2CHO. So and rapidly undergoes dehydration. What is meant by dehydration? When we are heating, removal of water molecule. So remaining compound, that is called as crotonaldehyde. CH3, CH, double bond, CH, then CHO plus H2O. What is this compound name? That is called as crotonaldehyde. Crotonaldehyde will be formed. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is, this is called as aldol condensation. Next we are going to see the what is meant by cross aldol condensation. What is meant by cross aldol condensation? Instead of this is acetaldehyde, here acetaldehyde. Here one acetaldehyde, here underlinked with the another compound, another aldehyde compound to give the compound mean, that is called as cross aldol condensation. Here the same aldehyde compound is relinked with the react with the first step and the second step, but here what is meant by cross aldol condensation? This is one aldol, one aldehyde, here another aldehyde. So example, formaldehyde react with acetaldehyde. So here no mechanism is not given. What is meant by cross aldol condensation? Cross aldol condensation. So what is the cross aldol condensation? When formaldehyde, when react with acetaldehyde in the presence of dilute NaOH to form the OH, CH2, CH2, CHO. 3-hydroxypropanol. 3-hydroxypropanol. This is one. Again, formaldehyde react with acetone. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Dilute NaOH, that is 4-hydroxybutane 2O, OH, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. That is 4-hydroxybutane, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-hydroxybutane 2O. That is the second portion containing keto group. Okay, so this is the another one. So another one is another important reactions of benzaldehyde. So important reactions of benzaldehyde. What are the important reactions? First one is glycine reaction. Glycine schemidit reaction. Condensation. Glycine schemidit condensation. How it will be react? Again benzaldehyde, 2 molecule of benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde react with acetaldehyde, C6H5, CH double bond O, again CH, CHO. Here water molecule will be removed to form the chinnamaldehyde, C6H5, CH double bond CH, CHO. What is the compound name? Is chinnamaldehyde. Chinnamaldehyde plus water molecule. This is also in the presence of dilute NaOH condensation reaction. What is this compound name? Benzaldehyde. This is called as acetaldehyde to combine to form this chinnamaldehyde. Again benzaldehyde acetone. What is the compound? Benzaldehyde C6H5 CH double bond O benzaldehyde. What is the compound name? Acetone H2CH C double bond O CH3. Again water molecule will be removed in the presence of dilute NaOH. So water molecule will be removed. So that is C6H5 CH double bond CH C double bond O CH3. Then H2O. What is benzylidine acetone? Acetone compound will be formed. Okay, so this is the another important glycine schematic condensation. When benzaldehyde react with acetaldehyde, this is also benzaldehyde react with acetone. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is Cannizzaro reaction. What is Cannizzaro reaction? When the concentrated aldehyde and do not have the alpha hydrogen. So aldehyde C6H5 CH4 aldehyde, that is 2 molecule of benzaldehyde. The self oxidation, that is in the presence of 50% alkali, the self oxidation to form the benzyl alcohol. So that is C6H5 CH2OH benzyl alcohol. Then again sodium benzoate C6H5 COO-N8. So this is called as benzyl alcohol. This is called as sodium benzoate. Okay. So this is called as benzaldehyde. That is 2 molecule of benzaldehyde in the auto oxidation. So that is this reaction is then called as disproportionation. So what is meant by disproportionation? It will be undergo self oxidation and reduction to give the mixture of this alcohol. So that is called a self. What is the mechanism? How it will be takes place in this mechanism? What is the first step? Attach of this first step is attack of the OH on the carbonyl carbon. So attack of OH minus ion in carbonyl carbon. So how it will be takes place? So first one is benzaldehyde C6H5 C double bond OH. This is benzaldehyde. This is attack of this OH minus ion. So what will happen? This will be attached to that one. This will be forming negative charge. So that is this compound C6H5. So here that is CO minus. This OH is attached to that one. This is H. Okay. So next one is transfer of hydrate ion. Step 2. So hydrate ion transfer. So that is another molecule of benzaldehyde. So that is C6H5 CO minus OH. This compound acid is you write. Again another compound of C6H5 C double bond OH. So what is the reason? This bond is coming to is a double bond. So that is this compound is attached to that one. So this compound is as a negative ion. So here how it will be formed? That is the slow reaction. So here that is C6H5 C double bond O. Here the double bond will be formed again. So OH is acid is you write. Then again remaining compound. This is called as a, this is removed as a negative ion. C6H5 CH2O minus. Here one H, another one is CH2O minus. Okay, now acid base reaction. So what is the step 3? Step 3, what is the acid base reaction again? C6H5 C double bond O OH. Again C6H5 CH2O minus. So that is only proton will be exchanged. So what is the proton will be exchanged? So this compound will be moving that one. That is the acid base. The proton will be exchanged. This is H5, C double bond O, O minus. This is one compound. Again another compound is C6H5, CH2OH. Okay, what is this compound? This is called as benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. This one is benzoate ion. So what is the first step? First step is OH minus ion attached to this carbonyl compound. So OH minus ion it attached to that. So one bond inge ulla vandaduna adutha bond inge velila ponum. So that is O minus. So next one is step 2, hydride ion transfer. So how it will be hydride ion transfer? The negative ion ulla varumbodhu idu double bond ah maaridudhu. So that is inge vandu nama inge attach agumbodhu so ungalku indha compound kedaikudhu, that is CH2O. So indha oru compound again acid base reaction rendai சேர்த்து எழுதும்போது so that is proton can be exchanged. This is proton exchange. That is only the hydrogen ion moving to that position. So this is the another one. Okay, so this is called as Cannizzaro reaction. This is the Cannizzaro reaction. Next one is crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Crossed Cannizzaro reaction here, 2 benzaldehyde is reacted compound. Crossed Cannizzaro reaction, one benzaldehyde, another compound of another benzaldehyde to form the again another compound will be formed. So another compound, that is crossed benzaldehyde. Crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Crossed Cannizzaro reaction, C6H5CHO benzaldehyde, again formaldehyde, okay, in the presence of sodium hydroxide. So what is the benzyl alcohol? C6H5CH2OH benzyl alcohol plus sodium benzoate, sodium formate, HCOONA, sodium formate. This is called as benzyl alcohol. What is this compound name? This is benzaldehyde. This is formaldehyde. Okay, next one is what is meant by benzoin condensation. What is benzoin condensation? So again 2 molecular benzaldehyde, right? C6H5, C double bond O, H benzaldehyde, C double bond O, C6H5. So here this compound will be coming here. That is called as benzoin reaction in the presence of alcoholic KCN to form this C6H5CHOH then H5. This is called as benzoin. So what is this compound name? Benzaldehyde. Okay, so next one is Perkinson reaction. What is meant by Perkins reaction? What is meant by Perkins reaction? Again benzaldehyde in the presence of acetic anhydride. Benzaldehyde. What is the formula of benzaldehyde? C6H5CH double bond O, benzaldehyde in the presence of acetic anhydride, CH2CH C double bond O anhydride. This is the then CH3. Okay, so here the H2O molecule will be removed. So what is this compound name? In the presence of CH3COONA. Okay, so 2 water molecule will be released. So what is the compound name? C6H5CH double bond CH C double bond O, here C double bond O, CH3. So next one is water molecule when hydrolysis H2O. What is the compound form? That is cinnamic acid and the acetic acid. This compound will be breakdown. So HOH. So here one H will be coming here, then OH coming that side, OH minus H plus you have to write this compound, that is here CH3COOH. This is one compound, acetic acid. Another compound C6H5 CH double bond CH COOH. This is called a cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid. Okay, what is this compound name is acetic acid. This is called as acetic acid. Okay, this is called as Perkin's reaction when benzaldehyde. What is this compound name? Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. This is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Okay, this is the another one. Next one is what is meant by Navier-Stokes reaction. Okay, so next one is Navier-Stokes reaction. What is Navier-Stokes reaction? First one is benzaldehyde. Again C6H5 CH double bond 4. This is benzaldehyde. React with malonic acid. What is malonic acid? So 3 carbon is there, that is called as malonic acid. This 2 compound is there, that is called as oxalic acid. This is called as malonic acid. Here water molecule will be removed. What is this compound? How to write? C6H5 CH double bond COOH. Here also COOH. Okay. Then again when we are heating, the carbon dioxide will be removed. Okay. So only one carbon dioxide is removed. So remaining compound C6H5 CH double bond CH COOH. What is this called? A cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid. Okay. So this is called as benzaldehyde condensed with malonic acid in the presence of pyridine. So here that is condensation in the presence of pyridine. Okay. So next one is the same is a pyridine act as a basic catalyst. This is called as benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde condensation with the malonic acid in the presence of pyridine. It is act as a basic catalyst to form the cinnamic acid. Again reaction with amine. How to react with amine? Reaction with amine. How to react? So this amine, when this benzaldehyde C6H5 CHO, then again amine. What is the amine? That is called as aniline. What is aniline? C6H5 NH2 mean this compound name is called as aniline. We previous class we studied that is aniline. This is called as benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Okay. So there H2O will be removed. So what is the name? That is called as Chips base C6H5 CH double bond N C6H5. What is this compound name? Benzal aniline. Benzal aniline. Aniline. So that is called as Chips base. Chips base. Okay. So this is called as Chips base when water molecule. This is called as another one. This is reaction with amine to form the Chips base. Okay, this is the also important one. Next one is condensation with the tertiary aromatic amine. So what is meant by tertiary aromatic amine? Tertiary aromatic amine. Aromatic amine. How it will be react? First one is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde H double bond O. Again dimethyl aniline. So what is dimethyl aniline? So here, so NCH3 twice. Here also NCH3 twice. Okay. So here water molecule will be removed in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Water molecule will be removed to form the malachite green dye. So that is important one question. So here that is benzaldehyde. Here only CH. Here so N CH3 twice. Here also NCH3 twice. So that is called as malachite green dye. Okay, malachite green dye. N, N dimethyl aniline. Okay, this is called as condensation with aromatic amine. This is called as benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde when condensed with the N, N dimethyl aniline in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form the malachite green. That is also very important one. These all the reactions are very, very important. Okay, so this is repeatedly asking question. So this is the another one. Okay, so next one is electrophilic substitution reaction. This is when benzaldehyde react with nitration. Nitration means concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. So again, what is this compound will be formed? This is benzaldehyde. So only nitro compound. All the product will be formed the meta position only. So just reminder that all the reaction will be formed in the meta position. Meta nitro benzaldehyde. Okay, then H2O. Then again only concentrated sulfuric acid you write, that is benzaldehyde. Sulfonic acid SO3H. So meta benzaldehyde sulfonic acid. Okay, so next one is in the presence of reaction with ferrichloride in the presence of chlorine. So what is that compound will be formed? Again benzaldehyde, chlorobenzaldehyde. So here benzaldehyde will be formed. Okay, another one is chlorine. Chlorine again benzyl chloride will be formed without no catalyst. Benzyl chloride, C double bond O, Cl plus HCl. Okay, so that is called as benzoyl chloride. Okay, that's all about the electrophilic substitution of aldehyde and ketone. So next one is electrophilic substitution reaction of acetophenone. So the same equation with the acetophenone electrophilic substitution. What is the acetophenone? What is the formula? COCH3. That is called as acetophenone in the presence of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. That is metanitro-acetophenone will be formed. So that is again COCH3, that is acetone. So NO2, metanitro-acetophenone will be formed. Okay, so this is called as acetophenone. So that's all about this today's video, that is called as electrophilic substitution. So next we are going to see what are the tests for aldehyde and uses of aldehyde. Next we are going to see the continuation for the same topic with the carboxylic acid. Okay, we see the next video. Okay, thank you children.